Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 8 mathematics. Today's chapter, last chapter, the topic volume and capacity. So dear students, open page number 190, exercise 11.4. First of all, we have to remember some units of volume. Dear students, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to how many centimeter cube? 1000. 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cube? 1 following by 60 centimeter cube. How it comes? You see, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 meter is equal to how many? 1000 multiplied by 1000 centimeter. Right? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 following by 60 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to, you can call it as 1000 liter. So remember these units. Let's we start. Example number 8. Example number 8. Find the height of cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. Okay, so we have to find out it is cuboid. So write down cuboid. Height we have to find out, volume 275 centimeter cube, base area that is 25 centimeter square. Okay, so first of all we put the formula volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. Now in this you have to apply Litton mind. Now this L multiplied by B is what? It is the area. So volume is equal to base area multiplied by H. Now base area is given 25 and volume is given 275 multiplied by H. Therefore H is equal to, transfer this 25 to left side. So it becomes divide. So 275 upon 25, that is 11 centimeter. Okay. So easy. Now, example number 9. A godown is in the form of cuboid. Measure 60 meter by 40 meter by 30 meter. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it if the volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube? Now students, in this type of sum, you see that we have to find out number of boxes. So such type of problem is there. You have to do following way. First of all, godown is big. That length, breadth and height is given. So write down. Then volume of godown, that is rectangular, that is LBH. So 60 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 30 meter cube. Now don't you multiply because it requires in following. You see. Also given volume of cuboidal one box. One box volume is given. How many? 0.8 meter cube. So here volume of cuboidal one box, that is 0.8 meter cube is given. Apply the formula. Total number of boxes is equal to volume of godown upon volume of one box. So write down volume of godown 60 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 30 and upon 0.8. Students, you remember why I do not multiply it? Because here we are going to calculate. That's why. So our calculation becomes very easy. That's why we have not multiplied this term. So 60 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 30 into 10 upon 8. This 10, that is 0.8 converted into decimal. So 8 0.8 convert into decimal. So 8 upon 10, 10 will go up. So like this way. So now you simplify. 8 5 is 40. See, so what is remaining? 60 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 10. So 6 5 is 30 and 3 3 is 9. So 9 following by 40 boxes means 90,000 boxes. Students, move to question number 10. Example number 10. A rectangular paper with 14 centimeter is rolled along its width and cylinder of a radius 20 centimeter is formed. Okay, so find the volume of cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Here take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Now student, here also you have to apply your mind. So देखो आप rectangular sheet है बराबर. This is rectangular sheet. Its height means its breadth is 14 centimeter. So students, breadth क्या हुआ, देखो breadth becomes height of the centimeter, right? ये देखो ये breadth आपका height हो गया और इसको आप फोल्ड करोगे तो लेंथ आपका क्या बन जाएगा, सरकमफरेंस है ना. लेंथ आपका सरकमफरेंस बन जाएगा और उसमें आप देखो आपको रेडियस दे दिया गया है कितना, 20 centimeter. So a cylinder is formed by rolling a rectangle about its width. Hence width of the paper becomes height, right? ये जो width है आपका बन गया height. Radius तो दे ही दिया गया है बस. So apply the formula. Apply the formula. So height, that is 14 centimeter, radius 20 centimeter. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So pi r, that is 20 square into h means 14. So 20 square means 20 multiplied by 20. We have to write 2 times. 7 2s are 14. So remaining is 22 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20 into 2. So when we simplify, you will get 17,600 centimeter cube volume of this cylinder. Now example number 11. A rectangular piece of paper that size is 11 centimeter by 4 centimeter is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. Find the volume of cylinder. देखो यहाँ देखो आपको डायमीटर नहीं दिया है तो आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे रेडियस. But you see that length of the paper, that becomes circumference of the cylinder, बराबर. आप रेक्टेंगुलर की जो लेंथ है उसको आप फोल्ड करोगे तो वो बन जाएगा आपका सरकमफरेंस. तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सिलेंडर क्या है, 2 पाई आर. और पेरीमीटर आपको दे दिया गया, कितना पेरीमीटर दिया है, लेंथ ऑफ द पेपर बिकम्स पेरीमीटर ऑफ द बेस ऑफ सिलेंडर. और पेरीमीटर यानी आपका लेंथ दे दिया गया, रेक्टेंगुलर पीस ऑफ पेपर. तो देखो ये कैसे बनता है मैं आपको हियर यू सी रेक्टेंगुलर पीस ऑफ पेपर दैट इज लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय बी. ये रेक्टेंगल है बराबर. इसको आप जब फोल्ड करोगे तो ये जो लेंथ है ना ये बन जाएगा आपका सरकमफरेंस. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव रिटन ओवर हियर पेरीमीटर ऑफ द बेस, दैट इज पेरीमीटर ऑफ द बेस में क्या है वो सरकमफरेंस है. सरकमफरेंस क्या है, 2 पाई आर. तो 2 पाई आर आपका क्या बन गया, 11. इसलिए मैंने यहाँ लिखा 11. तो 2 इंटू 22/7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई आर इज इक्वल टू 11. व्हेन यू सिंप्लीफाइड आर इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 7, आर इज इक्वल टू 11 इंटू 7 अपॉन 2 मल्टीप्लाई 22 नीचे जाएगा. सो 2 11 2 is 22, so 7 upon 4, right? R is equal to 7 upon 4 centimeter. So 7 upon 4 centimeter, okay. Now you look here, length becomes circumference. आपका ये जो length है वो circumference बन गया. So here we have to find out the value of R because radius and diameter is not given. और ये जो आपका breadth है वो आपका height बन गया है, breadth become height. राइट. तो इतना आपको दिमाग चलाना है. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो नाउ 22/7 इंटू 7/4 रेडियस ढूंढ लिया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 हाइट. सो 22/7 7/4 इंटू 7/4 बिकॉज 7/4 होल स्क्वायर इज देयर. कैंसल द टर्म, वी विल गेट 77/2, that is 38.5 centimeter cube. So volume of this cylinder is 38.5 centimeter cube. Now move to exercise 11.4. This is the last exercise of this chapter. In this, question number 1 and question number 2 that you have to do by yourself. Let's we see question number 3. So 11.4 exercise question number 1 and 2, that is homework for you. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is that find the height of the cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 9900 centimeter cube. So according to the problem, I have given the data over. I have written the data. H is equal to question mark. We have to find the height. Now base area, that is 180 centimeter square and volume, that is 900 centimeter cube. Now volume of cuboid is equal to LBH, okay, because it is cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to, वो पहले की तरह करना है, right? Length into breadth, that is our base area, into height. So 900 into 180 into height. So H is equal to 900 upon 180, 0 cancel. When you simplify, you will get height is equal to 5 centimeters. So height of this cuboid is 5 centimeters. Question number 4 is HW for you. Now question number 5. In question number 5, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Okay. Now diameter is given 140, so find out radius, that is 70 centimeter. Now you see that one point is to be noted here, volume is given in meter cube. So convert this centimeter into meter, means divide by 100. So now this centimeter, first of all I find out this radius and then convert into meter, then 0.7 meter it becomes radius. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume, that is 1.54 is given. All the value you have to put, 0.7 radius. When you simplify, you will get height is equal to 1 meter. Now question number 6. A milk tank is the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter, height is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters to be stored in that tank. Okay. So first of all, radius is given, height is given, volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. Formula rakh do. 22 upon 7, radius 1.5 it is given and height 7. So now 1.5 means 15 upon 10, 15 upon 10. You have to write down 2 times and h. When you simplify, you will get the value. Now you will get this value, you see, 49.5 meter cube. Now we have to convert into liters. Now 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 49.5 meter cube is equal to how many liters? When you simplify, you will get this, correct? Cut one decimal point. So 49,500 liters will come. So milk can be stored in a tank of 49,500 liters. Okay. Question number 7 and 8. These two questions last that you have to do by yourself in the form of homework. So here this chapter number 11 is over. Next time I will give you extra videos and notes and worksheet, right? That is on Tuesday I will give you. Okay. So till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.